LEX'S Dirty Maintenance Show.
Sweet power slide.
What's going on, skids? We got an AC down today. He said it's not coming on at all. Looks like it's going to be the old float switch. It's got some water in it. See if I can get it on camera for you. Bloop, 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 bloop. Yep, the float switch shuts off the 24 volts and it will not come on. So if you see this in your unit, you just pull that out and you're gonna have to suck out the line and unclog it. So here we go. Oh, look at that, great, awesome, nice construction work there. Right above the air handler, of course. So if water drips on it, goes down there, we'll have to be fixing the water heater too.
Still videoing.
Okay, I just switched the thermostat over to fan on, and the fan came on, so we know it's the float switch actually, and not the blower motor or circuit board or something crazy. So it's going to be an easy fix. Hallelujah. Yeehaw. Gonna pull the filter and go outside and suck the line out. Coil looks good. So we got 3 lines here. Since we have 3 floors, 106, I'm sorry, 103, 203, and 303. So this one has water in it. This one has water in it, and this one don't. So we'll try this one first. Wasn't that line, so we'll try this one. Well, it wasn't that line either. So this is the last one. 3rd time's the charm. And when I'm finished, I'll come back and label these so I'll know which line goes to which apartment. They're unlabeled, so you're out here just guessing, but I'm gonna label it, and it'd be easier if I have to come back next summer. Fire in the hole. There it is, that's the sound we want to hear. That is a nice clear line there. Now we'll come suck out the float switch from the inside, and I'm going to raise it a little bit too. It seems to be a little slanted. The old installer has it on a little slant, so water's just coming down it and filling it up. I didn't build the place, but I'll fix it. Alright, she's running good now. She's cooling. We raised the float switch just to compensate for that slant the installer put on it. So we'll go outside and label the drain line. I just throw some duct tape around it and mark it with a Sharpie. Makes it a lot easier. We just covered that for the time being till we get a cover for it. That way no water gets in there. Alright, let's head outside. Oh yeah, she's running good now. Coming on fine. It's a heat pump, so it's taking the heat from inside the apartment and dumping it outside, and I got good heat coming out the top here. Suction line feels good. Sweating. Alright, we're good here. Alright, we got her marked, so we'll know which one goes to which unit next time. We won't have to play the guessing game. I try to dig them out a little bit. I don't like how they stick straight up. They move water better when they're leaned over some, but it's crimping it, so I can't do it too much. Like I said, I didn't build the place, but I'm here to deal with it. Job security. Thank y'all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.